Hey, my name's Amanda Winalda. I'm an executive attorney at Anderson Advisors, and we're here in the lovely San Diego for day one of our tax and asset protection event. And I'm joined by Rebecca. How are you?
I'm great. How are you, Amanda?
Good, good. And so Rebecca's with Alpine. And why don't you tell us a little bit about what Alpine does?
Yeah, so we are a turnkey operation. We buy properties, we rehab them, we rent them, we manage them, we sell them to you, and continue to manage them. So we're vertically integrated. The biggest thing that separates us from other companies is that we don't outsource. So we keep everything in house, which then allows our interests to be aligned with yours.
All right. And so, how do you guys pick the markets? Because when I first heard of Alpine, you were in Indianapolis or Indiana,
Yes.
but now you're in how many places across the country?
We're in 5 markets, 4 states. So Indianapolis is our flagship. We own and manage about 1,800 properties there. We've been in Charlotte, North Carolina for 11 years, Kansas City, Missouri for 8, Idaho Falls, Idaho for 5, and then Winston-Salem, North Carolina for 3. Our criteria for market is, I guess the simple answer is population growth, affordable housing, fiscally sound state government, business friendly, and very landlord friendly. So lovely California would not work for any of that. But
Right. And being an asset protection, we know which states are not landlord friendly, right?
right, for sure, for sure.
So what type of assets? Think single family homes, but you've branched out into more than that, right?
Yeah, yeah. So our main business model are single family homes, but we do mobile home park development that then we syndicate to our investors without leverage. So that's key in this climate right now. RV parks that we also develop and then syndicate, and then we flip mobile homes. So we sell mobile homes as rentals, brand new manufactured homes as rentals, and then we do Airbnb and pad split as well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
And
it's fun.
so how does it work with Airbnb and pad split being completely turnkey? So you've already got all of the room set up, all the furniture inside, and you just do everything.
Great.
What am I doing? What am I doing as the investor?
Great question. I love that. I always tell my investors the only thing you have to do is check your email a couple times a month to make sure we don't need approval for something or, make you aware of something with the property, and then pay your property taxes and insurance once a year. Other than that, we handle the rest. Because, we have clients in Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, all over the world, and obviously they can't be hands-on at all. So very passive.
Right. So, talking about the ideal client or investor, what characteristics are you looking for, or should people be thinking, oh, this applies to me if I want to get into this?
Honestly, it's somebody who has disposable funds of at least 150,000, whether it's in an old 401k and IRA that you're self-directing or cash. Honestly, those are our clients that want to employ those dollars and get a tangible, insurable asset.
So, it can really work for anyone. It's
Yep.
pretty just low bar there.
Yeah, for sure. There's no interview process.
Okay. So, with Anderson, Alpine has been deeply integrated into our Infinity investing portal. What do Anderson and clients, what can they expect when working with you? There's a summit you can go to.
Yeah, so we do a 3-day summit once a month. It's either in Indianapolis or Idaho Falls. We started the summit because we wanted investors to kick the tires, meet the team, see the operation, trust what they're investing in. Because if you don't trust us, you're going to be a nightmare on the back end and you're not going to sleep well at night. So, you come out to the event, you learn a lot about our systems, our processes. Anderson is there, the IRA Club is there. We go out and see properties. We talk about real estate as a whole. It's great networking, great education, and it's free. So it's part of your package. So everyone's welcome to come.
And these guys are such experts. You've been with Alpine for a long time.
Yes, almost 16 years. Gosh, it makes me feel old, but it doesn't feel like that long. So it's a good thing.
It keeps you young, helping people invest.
I know, right? I feel like there's a housing crisis and a retirement crisis in this country, and I'm proud to be trying to help both.
So, having been doing this for 16 years and with the current environment, if what do you tell people who think that maybe real estate's not a great investment? What are you saying to them?
Yeah, money's emotional, right? We come into it emotionally, we spend it emotionally, and so it's something that we help you work through when you come out to the event because that's natural, right? A lot of us are just thinking, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and a lumpy mattress. When a tangible, insurable asset again that you can touch and see is huge, and no one's making more land, so I think to own land is huge.
Huge, huge.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Rebecca.
Yeah, yeah. Have a good day.
Thank you.